I've been here all night.
Ariana,
I've been here all day.
Nicki Minaj.
And boy, you got me walking side to side.
What the hell?
I'm talking to you. See you standing over there with your body, feeling like I wanna rock with. What's up? Oh, this is Kim Petras.
I'm on a sugar crush, I ain't gonna fucking cash. Maybe I should take a bath, cut my fucking brain in half. I'm not lonely, just a bit tired of this fucking shit. Nothing that I write can make me feel good. Victim of the great machine, in love with everything I see. Neon lights surrounding me, I indulge in luxury. Everything I do is wrong, except for when I hit the phone. Hit the phone, hit the phone. Feel good, feeling shitty in my bed. Didn't take my fucking meds, hyper pop up in my ears. Everything just disappears. Don't wanna be someone else, just don't wanna hate myself. I just don't wanna hate myself. Instead I wanna feel good. I'm on a sugar crash, I ain't gonna fucking cash. Maybe I should take a bath, cut my fucking brain in half. I'm not lonely, just a bit tired of this fucking shit. Nothing that I write can make me feel good.
I got a sugar crush, I can never get enough. Looking for a better rush. Pop music energy, everybody's scared of me. Wish I was a better me. Feel my heart racing, everything's changing. Feel fucking crazy. I just wanna feel good.
Victim, me myself the victim. Running in a cycle cause I'm stuck up in the system. Symptom, dealing with addiction. Got me on these meds, they saying I'm really sick. Oh,